Swing, solo jazz, classic moves, and improvisation. My name's Val. So what we did today, we took a couple of classic moves and then we moved them around in space and played around with timing. So first set of moves we did was boogie forwards and boogie backs. So boogie forwards was 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and just hops. Those double variations. Then what we did, we moved them around. For example, in circle. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the side. To the side. Wherever. Then we played around with timing. So we did, for example, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we mix it all around. Then we do rocks. So rocks whirl this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We talked how these are steps. And step, and we could move them around too. Forward, to the side. Yeah, different ways. And then we also played the timing a little bit. So we did, we also did it on the other side. And we did a little transition. Ba, ha, 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 ba, ba. So we did that too. So then we did the timing part. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster and slower. And we'll continue with those thoughts next week.